Hi, welcome to CityPoint Central Help Videos. In this video we're going to look at how to create tiles in a unit page in order to add resources to your unit page. Okay, so the first page that you come to when you log on to CityPoint Central will look something like this. Go up here to where it says courses, click on that, and then navigate down to the course that you are planning to work on. I'm going to do English for ESL learners, but don't actually click on that. Go to the right here and click on the three dots and choose Course Homepage. Sarah has created for us a basic template with our faculty banner, basic course overview, as well as units here for our course. Now I have 2 units here, you might have 3 or 4. I'm going to choose Unit 1, which is the one I'm working on, Language, Text and Culture. Now later on you can of course add your unit overviews and start building your course, but for the purpose of this video we're just going to look at this part here, Unit Resources, and how to add a tile here. Like I have already made PowerPoints, I'm going to add a new tile called Worksheets. You probably will just have a blank space there, so you'll be adding your first tile. Now before we actually add the tile, we need to create a page or a folder it's called that the tile will link to. And the way to do it is you go to the top here, in top right hand corner you'll see the 3 dots. Click on that and choose Add Subfolder. Then you give it a name, and I'm going to call it Unit 1 Worksheets. Now down here on Homepage Template, click on that and choose Course Unit and then Create Folder. Later you can add a cover image to it if you wish. Now nothing appears here because it's in the background, and it's the folder that or page if you like, that we're going to link our new tile to. So these tiles are really just like big fancy hyperlinks that you click on to get to another page. So I'm going to add a tile here, and I'm going to call it Worksheets. And the next step you need to do is change the size to 50, from 50 to 120. The text color also needs to change to white, and the way to do that is you click on the little arrow and see this dot down here. If you grab hold of it and just drag it all the way to the top left hand corner and let go, that makes the text white. Then you scroll down to Position and you choose bottom right. Next step, we have to link our tile to the page that we created before. So you click on Browse Resources and Faculties, choose Secondary and English, 11 English for ESL learners, Unit 1, and then you will see the one that you created. So I created Unit 1 Worksheets. We choose that and click Use this folder. Now that tile is linked to that folder. A few more steps that we need to do. Down here where it says Hover, we need to choose, you click on that and you need to choose a particular color, and the way to do that is #FDB 827. So you just have to write that down and type it in. Then you hit return and you see the color changes to this lovely color chosen. Before you quit, you need to grab hold of the slider here, click on it and hold it down and slide it down to, it's halfway, a little bit less than halfway, so kind of 1/3 of the way down, and let go. Still, the next step is where it says Image, click on this section here, and we need to find an image for it. Now eventually you could upload your own image, and make sure that it's a high resolution, good quality image that isn't copyrighted, so you might want to check with the school before using it. But for now, click on Resources and then on faculties, faculty images, and the first one there is the icon for your tiles. And once you've done that, you click save, and it's all done, almost. Now I already have one tile there, and if you have 3, you may want to change this tiles row to number 3 so they're all next to each other. If you have 4, you might want to keep it at 2. Now if you have 0 here for padding, please type in 5. That padding is the distance here between the tiles, and if you don't have padding it looks really awkward. When you're ready, you click save, and now we have this tile here for worksheets next to my PowerPoints tile. Now if I actually click on the worksheets tile, it takes me to my Unit 1 worksheets, and this is where I can start adding files. And how you actually design this page is the topic for another training video. So I hope you found this useful. Make sure you ask any of the people in the team if you have any questions or need help.